Now let's talk about the next rule, which is about directly returning Boolean conditions when we have if statement that returns Boolean variables or Boolean literals. Here is a code example that we can apply this rule into. We have an if statement that always returns Boolean literals. Sometimes it returns true based on the condition, and sometimes it returns false. So to identify the situations that we can apply this rule into, we should first look for an if statement. The if statement must have return of either Boolean variable or literals. So in this example, the code returns Boolean literals, but it could be that someone saved the Boolean literal into a variable such as defining a variable that is true, and instead of returning true, they can return that variable. And the last condition is that the if statement must return true in some cases and false in some other cases. So if you have an if statement that only returns true and there's no return false, then we cannot apply this rule into. So let's walk through the execution of this code and see how the program executes. First of all, it checks the condition whether humidity greater than 60 or not. If this condition is true, the program returns true. However, if this condition is false, the program also returns false. So we can see that overall, the program returns the situation that the condition will evaluate to. If the condition is true, the code returns true, otherwise it returns false. So instead of returning these Boolean variables or Boolean literals, we can directly return the condition. Like this. Directly, we can return humidity greater than 60. And of course, look at the truth table. If this condition is true, the code returns that condition. So it returns true. Otherwise, if the condition is false, it returns false. So the behavior or functionality of the code also stayed the same.